South Africa has a vibrant mall culture. Demand for high-end fashion products and fine-tuned services is largely driven by a growing middle class.
This middle class has shown tremendous growth since 2000. The LSM 5 to 7 category increased by about 4 million households. The upper end of the market increased by about 1.5 million households.
The opening of the Mall of Africa in Johannesburg was greeted with enormous excitement. More than 1 million shoppers visited the centre since it opened almost 4 weeks ago. Over 120,000 people visited the mall on the first day alone.
A lot of the people coming on the first day went to our food anchors and then to the specials. But I mean, there was, as I said, there was phenomenal records that was achieved by our fashion tenants. So it's across the board. I mean, the people were just coming. I think they waited, whatever they wanted to buy, kept their money in their wallets, and they came and spent it on the opening weekend.
The timing of the new super regional mall has raised concerns that it may leave the consumer market a little thinly spread. South Africa is battling a 26.7% unemployment rate, increasing consumer debt levels, rising inflation and higher interest rates. But mall developers Atterbury says its $350 million investment was based on demand.
The retailers understand that there's a need, and they understood that there was a need for more retail in this area. And they actually approached us and said, you know what? We need more retail, and there's not a lot of opportunities left. But we would like to have one strong, good shopping centre in this Gauteng area where we can place the mall, and this was the ideal, opportune place to put it, to actually develop the shopping centre.
If you look at the Mall of Africa with 100,000 households close by, with a good accessibility on the main roads, the final catchment area of Mall of Africa is probably the whole of central Gauteng and northern Gauteng. So it actually serves a very, very big market.
Aptly named the Mall of Africa, retailers are banking on international tourists, more especially shoppers from across the continent. On the local front, though, the hype of another new mall is expected to die down soon, more so as the realities of this weak economy set in.
If I wanted something expensive to impress somebody, then probably I would come here, but it's not for me. It's not for your regular community. It's for the rich.
It would be a great shopping experience for those that can afford, because I don't think not everybody can afford to shop here.
I don't think it's anything different to what we've seen. Yeah, if you've been to Sandton and you've been to Eastgate, you've practically seen them all. Just the boutiques are different, which is very exciting, especially a shop called Al Capone.
South Africa's romance with shopping malls is unlikely to end soon. Urbanization also plays a critical role in feeding the demand for malls. South Africa is 65% urbanized, and that's expected to grow to 70% by 2030. Sumitra Nydoo, CCTV, Johannesburg.